All right, well, we made it through the week. It's a nice chilly Friday in Cedar City, Utah. We're up here for the Cedar Livestock Festival that we do every year. Got the old Duramax and carriage behind us there, and Leon, he's been on a wagon trip this week, so he was reenacting the freighters that used to go from Cedar City, Utah to Lund. So he's got the wagons all loaded up with wool headed to the shipping yards. Got a few of the mules up here. All kinds of old tractors up here. This is the farm all line, and then we got all the other tractors on the other side. We're up and at 'em. Got old Jill and Flosserini over here, getting ready to get them all hitched to that, and we got a haul of Grand Marshal in the parade today. Be a good party up in Cedar City, Utah. A little cool this morning, but other than that, we're in pretty good shape for the shape we're in. Well, we got them hitched and hooked. We got the old Grand Marshal this year's Dean Windward. He's gonna jump up in there with his crew, and we're gonna take him for a dig around the streets of Cedar City, Utah. Kind of another annual event that we do. We do tons and tons of parade with this outfit and team of mules and everything else. So always a lot of fun to get out and about on the community and give back. We really enjoy it. So me and Beck will get up the road, get them warmed up to the idea, and we'll take you along for the ride. Here,
Gerald's keys at?
Get in so we can move up here. We just need to be up here to make sure that they don't come down here.
Guys.
Here.
Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Should have bought our longhorns. Oh wait, they're not nice.
Hey, Andy. Whoa. Easy, Jill. Dean, you're right up front of the parade. This takes a lot of years to get to the front of a parade.
I don't know. I'm a little nervous about what's
Well, that was a pretty good little parade. Up in front of me you can see the longhorn cattle, and just in front of them there was a big herd of sheep that go down the parade route as well. So it was a pretty good time. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Where did you guys park?
back where you.
Oh, alright. We'll figure it out. We just go back up around that back road.
Over the little bridge thing.
Over the bridge. Hey everybody, we're out here to Sand Hollow today. Out and about in the old Black Pearl. Got a big gooseneck trailer on a Ford pickup stuck in the sand, so we're gonna sneak around here and grab the old Nodwell, run down there real quick and pull him out. So we'll grab a camera, see if we can get over there, and we'll take you along for the ride. So on these big jobs like this, I like to take it pretty easy. I like to hook up a bridle to the front of the truck. So I'll take a couple soft shackles and a factor 55 rope. We'll hook it up there and then just idle that Nodwell forward nice and easy. Otherwise you can do damage to the truck and the trailer, bend axles, springs, you name it. So we'll just get in here nice and easy and pull them to a little bit of hard pack, get them out of this real soft sand. Better get that, make sure I don't screw it up. Alright, well there's that big old beast. Just took the wrong turn here. There's another turn down a little ways they can take. It'll be a lot better. So we'll just give them a little tow out here, see what we can do with the old girl, and we'll go from there. I usually have a little chat with the driver of the vehicle, let him know to kind of put it in four-wheel drive and not give it so much throttle that it hops up and down. Let me do most of the pulling with the Nodwell until we get out on the hard pack. It's always nice that they can help me a little bit in low range, and so we'll see what we end up with here.
That's what I told him, man. As soon as he got to here, he was good.
Thanks.
Yeah. Okay, I'll get out.
All right. We're going to run down to the lake and check it out real quick till we make sure he gets out of where he's at. That's almost scary in this thing. Look how that moves.
Hey, somebody needs it and try to get down to here.
Look how nasty. Look how nasty that stuff is. Water's coming out. Well, we got to get back to the truck. I'm going to take you guys on a quick little mule ride up on the Coal Pits Wash area. Man, we live in a pretty place, southern Utah. Yeah, give him his reins.
Come on, General. Do what you want.
Can I buy it? As is? Wow. Mule. Easy. Oh shit. Whoa. Oh, you're gonna go through the tree like I did earlier. going, Leon?
Well, he turned around in quicker order that time.
I'd say he did. Oh, look at that. Somebody got that rabbit with a mountain bike. Get it, miss. Maybe the dogs got it. Surely our dogs didn't catch that. They're too stupid. Holy crap. What kind of a hole is that?
Come on, you can do it. You'll do it.
Yeah. I'm sure he's more than capable.
Tired of fighting.
He's plenty capable. Whether he's willing's the other question.
You know what Swayze's leaf is, right? Swayze's leaf? Swayze's leaf? Isn't that what they call it?
It's just a crack.
Right here.
Break your mama's back if you step in the crack. Sorry.
Right there.
We're coming through, whether you want us to or not.
See how easy that was, you damn mule? You can do this. You can do this.
Almost. Okay. That was cool. Yeah, we're not going to play around as much on this one as we did on the other one right next to the edge.
Yeah. Come on. Come on. Good. Please. Come on, you get in there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Knock it off.
Come on. Try again.
It's so fun. Just a little jump up.